Welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how you can promote your CPA offer via Twitter. Again, you can see I have made a video at here and also a here. This is also a Twitter CPA offer promoting video, and this is also a video for finding trends on Twitter. You also have to watch this video for using this method which I will show you in this video, because this is a important video for this method. And you can also use this method without watching this video, but it will be very helpful for you if you watch this video. So come back to the video. If I go on here, you can see I have a post, so what, get your candy, and I have used the hey link option. You can see this is a hey link slash candy 85. So which way I will promote this offer now? We have to visit this website. I have already created an account right here. This website name is AddMeFast.com. I will give the link in my description box. When you will visit this website, it will show like this. Okay, then you have to click on register option. After clicking on register, you have to fill up your email, password, and retype password. And then captcha verification and click on sign up. After sign upping on this, you have to visit your mail that you have used for sign up at this website, and you can see they will send you a confirmation mail. Then you have to click here to confirm option. Then you will able to confirm your account. My account is already confirmed, so I don't need to confirm it again. Now I am on the dashboard at here. You can see I have currently 8 points available only, and when you will create an account, you will do not have any point. If you use this website daily, you will get 400 points for free, only for daily users. You can see only daily active users will get this bonus 400 points. Okay, so how you can make more points from here, and why we need this point, I will talk it later. First I need to show how you can earn point. If I go on YouTube likes, here is also some option: Facebook post, Facebook share, Facebook like, Discord member, Reddit member. There is also some option available. If I go on the Facebook like option, I have to click on this like button. Then a pop-up window will show and a video will show it here. Then you have to like the video and wait 5 to 10 seconds. Then you have to close the pop-up window. What's mean pop-up? This is a pop-up window. You have to like the video, then wait 10 seconds and cut the pop-up window. Then you will get points. For copyright reason, I can't able to show the way, because if I show the method, I will get a copyright strike or copyright claim, so I can't show you the method. You can see now, if I like this video, I will get 15 points at here. But if I use this website daily, I will get 400 points every day. Okay, so what our main goal is, we will promote our Twitter post at this website, and we will be get viral on our Twitter post. If you can see, there is an option for Twitter retweets. We will use this option. They will retweet our Twitter post, and we will can promote our CP offer. If I go on similar web, there is, you can see this website is mostly famous in Afghanistan. If you can able to get a good offer at this location, you can also promote it. There is no problem. But you can see I have choiced a Brazil offer, and 9.28% are visitors are from Brazil, so I have choiced the Brazil option. And this is a Brazil offer. I have choiced this offer from CPA grip. Now you have to choose a targeted country offer, then you have to promote it. So I have currently made a post at here, and this is a temporary landing page. You can see the website link is heylink.me. This is a landing page making system like Linktree, but it have more facilities than Linktree. If you want to know about it, so I click on this I button and watch this video. But before watching this video, you have to watch this video. That's funny, right? Now you have to click on add. Now you can see a option type. You have to click on Twitter retweets. Now you have to uncheck mark worldwide. Without uncheck mark it, we can promote the tweet all over the world. Now click on select country. Now you have to choose your targeted country at here. Like I am choosing Brazil, so I have to find Brazil. This is the option of Brazil. Okay, now we have to give the Twitter ID. For this reason I will copy the link. Now come at here, now paste the copied link at here. Now that's not okay, we have to cut this text from here. We need only Twitter ID. You can see there is the option Twitter ID. So and then come at here and delete this. We have to choose this number only. This is our Twitter ID. Now click on total clicks. If then click on then if the daily clicks available on, you have to off it because we don't need the click limit. Okay, now total clicks, I have only 8 points, so you have to give almost 5 point, sorry, this is not point, you have to give clicks. So before using this, here you can see CPC. CPC means cost per click. So we don't have to pay our original money. You can see I have 8 points. You have to earn points from this alternative options. Then your point will be added at here. Then you have to pay this type of points at here. Like the minimum point I have to pay is 5. Then click on the total clicks. I will choose 2. Now click on save changes. Okay, that's enough. Then our you can see URL already exists because I have already made a option at here. Click on my site. You can see I have already used this tweet at here. Your tweet will be added at my sites option after doing this action. Okay, that's enough. Now our tweet will be promoted by many users on the Twitter, and they will retweet our post on their profile, and by this way our post will be go viral and we can able to get leads. Okay, thanks for watching the video. But one more thing I have to say, that you have to use landing page on Twitter, and you can use Link or Linktree, but Link have more facilities than Linktree. And one more thing is your link should be acceptable at Twitter. Okay, you don't need to give any spam type of things. I don't support spam. So that was the video about. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel and give a like to the video and share on every CPA groups you have. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.